Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to automatically share Instagram stories to Facebook. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store, Google Play, and double check if your Instagram or Facebook needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it. And if it doesn't, just move along to the next step. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to just go back to my screen, right? Go ahead to your browser. And then it says tap your profile picture at the bottom right to your profile, tap in the top right, and then tap privacy, and then tap story, scroll down to sharing, and then tap next to your share your story to your Facebook. But in our case, we are using professional mode, so it's gonna be a little bit different. Go ahead to your Instagram, click on your story at the top left, and from here you're gonna see the settings gear at the top right, and you're gonna see it. You're gonna see story, reels, live. Click on your story, and basically scroll a little bit down right here. You're gonna see the sharing section. You're gonna see 3 tools: allow sharing to story, allow sharing to messages, share your story to Facebook. You're gonna just toggle this one on, so when it comes to posting your own stories, you're gonna be able to share automatically to your Facebook or to your linked Facebook account. So basically that's it. Let's win on the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.